Hey guys, I want to show you a neat little update I made. It's not that big, it's just a little thing I added. Um, so if you remember, well actually it's still here, the old file loader, except now it works a little different. Now instead of just having a flat system where you just put in a name and then it loads a save, there's actually a file system now. So I made a file system in Lua using Lua tables. So if we go here in the quick access toolbar, we can add this thing called File Explorer. Excuse me. And then we can open it, and as you can see, here's a bunch of saves. And but you might notice that there's actually folders. So look, you can there's actually file paths. If I want, I can go and load one of the saves from a previous video, ball statue, and look at that, there it is. Or we can also make folders. So look, I can make a new folder, call it video folder, and then I can, let's actually move that save to that folder. So we do cut, and we go to that folder, and then we paste, and now it's in that folder. You know what, I don't know if I can load saves from, okay, I can. Alright, I was just testing to see if that worked. So yeah, and this is gonna make it really easy to save scripts and models and plugins too. I'm gonna make it so that there's a plugins folder. I might make it reserved, I'm not sure, or I might actually make it a completely different file system for the plugins folder. We'll have to see, but for now, we've got this basic file system. Also, I don't know if you guys like my UI design. I actually made this. This is the first time I was actually making a UI that wasn't based on anything. One that wasn't based on any of the Qt elements of Roblox Studio from 2016. I just made this. It just looks how I'd made it. I was lazy, so I didn't add image icons for the back and forwards button and forwards buttons. I just used Unicode arrows. Sorry if my voice sounds gravelly. I'm sick right now. Excuse me. But we've got folders and stuff, which is pretty nice. As you can see, and look, if you go and oh, there's nothing in there. If we go here, we can have pretty long file paths. But yeah, oh yeah, something I didn't finish in the previous video was, let me make a new world. I didn't get to show off the dialogues, so let me add in a part, and let's add a dialogue. There's a dialogue. Initial prompt, hello. Then we're gonna put in a dialogue choice. And then we're gonna okay, so user dialogue, hi, response dialogue, A. Why not? Okay, so now let's play, and as you can see, it's there. There's no question mark because they removed the old texture file for it. I'm just gonna start making overrides for that anyway, so eventually it'll be fixed. But if we click, we've got dialogue, and this is interpreted Lua from a module. By the way, this is all emulated. Hi, hey, this is all happening in real time. So this is just an example of how insane the scripting on this game is. I emulated all of the core methods. Well, not all of them yet. I haven't finished it yet, but I'm emulating them. So you'll be able to do stuff like this. Eventually, also, I think I might actually rewrite the Lua compiler myself. Because the one right now is very laggy. The one I have right now, the Moonshine Lua compiler, written in Lua, is very laggy. So with large script. So I might actually just go back to and take a look at the C code from the original Lua 5.1.2 this distribution, and I will I might see if I can rewrite it myself and see if it's faster. I hope it's faster if I do it. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna be trying to add plugins soon, which is pretty nice. So yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the update, and I'll see you later.